The Royal Enfield Guerrila 450, a motorcycle that exudes power and elegance, sits as the undeniable focal point in a showroom that breathes luxury. Its military-inspired design contrasts beautifully with the sleek, modern space that surrounds it. With matte finishes, bold lines, and rugged features, the bike commands attention. It's clear that this machine is built for those who seek both adventure and sophistication. As soft lighting envelops the showroom, the Royal Enfield Guerrila 450 stands tall on its polished marble pedestal, perfectly placed to showcase its bold personality. The luxurious atmosphere of the showroom amplifies its presence. Gleaming marble floors reflect the subtle glow of overhead lights, and the minimalist decor only serves to enhance the bike's striking features. The walls are adorned with modern chrome accents, and large windows allow natural light to pour in, making the bike look even more imposing and powerful. Behind the motorcycle, the space is designed to highlight the perfect blend of style and strength. A display on the wall showcases the name, Royal Enfield Guerrila 450 inches in a contemporary, sleek font, emphasizing the exclusivity of the bike. The showroom, with its refined design, provides a fitting backdrop for a motorcycle that is not only a symbol of rugged craftsmanship but also of elegance and luxury. The Royal Enfield Guerrila 450 isn't just a mode of transport, it's a statement. A symbol of adventure, resilience, and the pursuit of excellence. In this luxurious showroom, it isn't merely displayed, it's celebrated as the pinnacle of motorcycle design. The blend of function and style in the Guerrila 450 makes it more than just a motorcycle, it becomes a work of art, ready to take on the world while standing proud in its refined setting.